Hello everyone. Today I am out at Auburn Grove. This is a brand new community just opened up this week by Horton homes, and I'm going to do a little pan around. There's nothing to see yet. We don't have any houses, but just to show the community. But good news, the pool is open and ready. We have a pretty little cabana here, and that will have tables and chairs, so it'll be a nice place to get out of the sun. So this road is at the end of the cul-de-sac. This is another subdivision behind us. The entrance is over in that direction. The concrete block walls will be the future model homes. There'll be a Denton and a Cali model there. We have started approximately 10 or 12 homes in this middle island section, but you can see overall what this area is going to encompass. We have about 100 home sites in the first phase. That road over in the distance is Polk City Road, County Road 559, and if we headed north on 559, that would bring us to I-4 at exit 44, which is the exit for Love's Truck Stop. If we headed south on Polk City Road, we would end up down at Lake Ariana, downtown Auburndale, and US 92, which we could pick up to head back towards Lakeland. Or Winter Haven, or we could again pick up I-4 going north and head west to Tampa or east to Orlando. So a really centralized location, and this is a nice kind of rural community area. There's no real building around here. There's two churches across the street. There is a corner apostle that is zone commercial. I don't know what could end up being built there. But other than that, across the street and to our other side is just other housing. So just a really pretty area, convenient to everyone. And Auburndale is a nice sized town. It has a Walmart, it has a Publix, the things we need. It has barbecue. So this is Auburn Grove by Horton Homes. Call me for more information, 860-463-0875.